President Donald Trump on Wednesday night spun a web of theories minimizing the coronavirus threat to Americans, accusing the World Health Organization of dispensing inaccurate facts about the outbreak and suggesting that those with the disease could be safe going to work.
During expansive remarks on Fox News host Sean Hannity's program, the president continued to break with public health officials more dire messaging regarding the international crisis and forcefully contradicted the WHO, which earlier in the week pegged the global mortality rate for the coronavirus at 3.4%.
Well, I think the 3.4% is really a false number. Now, and this is just my hunch, but based on a lot of conversations with a lot of people that do this. Because a lot people will have this and it's very mild. They'll get better very rapidly. They don't even see a doctor. They don't even call a doctor, Trump said.
You never hear about those people. So you can't put them down in the category of the overall population in terms of this corona flu or virus. So you just can't do that, he continued. So if, we have thousands or hundreds of thousands of people that get better, just by, sitting around and even going to work, some of them go to work but they get better.
The president's comments came after the House of Representatives approved Wednesday an $8.3 billion emergency spending package to tackle the burgeoning disaster, and as California reported the 11th coronavirus death in the U.S., the first fatality outside of Washington state. But that cost to human life did not align with the WHO's statistics, the president argued.
When you do have a death, like you had in the state of Washington, like you had one in California, believe you had one in New York, all of a sudden, it seems like 3 or 4%, which is a very high number, as opposed to a fraction of 1%, Trump told Hannity. Although 11 cases have been reported in New York, no deaths in the state have been officially attributed to the coronavirus.
But again, they don't know about the easy cases because the easy cases don't go to the hospital. They don't report to doctors or the hospital, in many cases, Trump said. So I think that number is very high. I think the number, personally, I would say the number is way under 1%.
On Thursday morning, the president pushed back against media coverage of his interview, insisting that I never said people that are feeling sick should go to work.
This is just more fake news and disinformation put out by the Democrats, in particular MSDNC, he wrote on Twitter. Comcast covers the coronavirus situation horribly, only looking to do harm to the incredible and successful effort being made.